let me show you how to build an NFL passing yards predictor using linear regression in Python. Linear regression is one of the easiest machine learning models to wrap your head around, so this is a great place to start as a data scientist. First, we're going to import our libraries. We're using Pandas for handling data, Matplotlib for visualizing the results, and Scikit-learn to build a regression model. Next, we're going to load in our dataset. I'm just using a sample dataset that I have saved on my desktop. I'm going to start by just printing out the first 5 rows so I can see what I'm working with. All right, so this dataset includes passing attempts, completions, defense rank, and passing yards. Now we're going to set up our features and our target. So we're using passing attempts, completions, and defense rank to try and predict passing yards. Next, we'll split the data into a training set and a testing set. So 80% of the data will be used to train the model, and 20% will be held out of the training set and used to test how well the model generalizes. Setting the random state just makes sure that the split is the same every time we run the code. Now we can create and train the regression model. This first line is going to create a blank linear regression model. The second line is going to train the model using our training data. So we're basically teaching the model how our 3 x variables relate to our y variable. Next, we make predictions on the test set. This tells the model to predict passing yards for games it hasn't seen before. Now we evaluate the model. The R-squared score tells us how much of the variation in our passing yards is explained by our features, so how much of the y is explained by x. The mean squared error tells us how far off our predictions are on average. And finally, let's visualize how well the model did. So this scatter plot compares the model's prediction against the actual results. So if the points line up close to a diagonal line, it means the model is doing a good job. And that's it. We've just built a simple NFL prediction model using linear regression in Python. Make sure to follow for more data science projects.